It is on a vastly different, far more potent level than any other anti-aging method or approach. It works fast, faster than anything known to modern medical science. In fact, it may truly be the fountain of youth that has evaded the human race since time immemorial. What are we talking about? Human growth hormone, or HGH, is the miracle substance that makes our muscles and bones growth strong, gives us boundless energy, keeps us mentally sharp, scorches fat from our midsections, and affords ironclad protection from the afflictions that aging brings. Ask anyone over age 30 to compare their current physical condition to their teen years. If they're honest, they will confess that their energy is not quite as vibrant as it was. They tire a little quicker and can't recover from strenuous physical activity as they could a few short years ago. Remember, this begins at around age 30. With each passing decade, aging continues marching on its path, a path of your destruction, ending in your increasing weakness, stiffness, illness, and death. How about the timeless sage advice to grow old gracefully? Yeah, right. Just go to a nursing home or senior citizen convalescent residency. Look around and notice the plethora of walkers and wheelchairs. Take a look, a good long look, at the sad, lonely, and empty expressions on the faces of many residents. Watch as they struggle with the simplest movements. Tell them to just keep aging gracefully, and see how much comfort that timeless sage advice gives them. For most people, there is nothing, absolutely nothing graceful about aging. The answer is surprisingly simple: a lack of growth hormone. Growth hormone begins to level off and drop slightly around age 30. As each decade passes, the decline speeds up, and the level of growth hormone in the body experiences a precipitous decline. The result, the debilitating symptoms of aging. Here are a few possible reasons why this occurs. An increase in somatostatins. Somatostatins are chemicals that control the rate of growth hormone secretion from the pituitary gland. In our growing years, this is a good thing. Too low levels of somatostatins would result in gigantism, indeed an example of too much of a good thing. However, as we age, the level of somatostatins increases. As this happens, the release of HGH slows by as much as 2% per year. A second possible cause of lower HGH levels is that it may be due to a drop of growth hormone releasing hormone, or GHRH. GHRH is a precursor hormone of HGH and is responsible for sending messages from the hypothalamus gland to the pituitary. These messages tell the pituitary to secrete growth hormone. So far, so good. However, as we age, the pituitary becomes lazy and is far less responsive to these messages. The result? A drop in HGH levels. A third possible cause of HGH deficiency is at the cellular level. To put it simply, the cells at the final destination of HGH deteriorate and become resistant to HGH. Studies have shown that the pituitary gland can continue secreting HGH even as we age. The key is to keep the HGH flowing by the treatment of injectable human growth hormone. Injections of HGH will slow and may even stop the increase of somatostatins. Also, HGH injections will speed up cell division, thus making the smaller cells more efficient. More efficient cells equals more receptivity to HGH. Finally, the deficiency of GHRH can be combated by dosages of biosynthetic GHRH. Our anti-aging physicians are experts at knowing when this should be done and the correct dosage amount. Remember this: for thousands of years, the average lifespan was late 20s to early 30s. As far as Mother Nature was concerned, once we had reproduced, we had served our purpose, and we were considered useless. Fortunately, those days are long gone. Throughout centuries of human existence, our average lifespan has been gradually creeping higher. And now we are on the verge of astonishing, mind-blowing, incredible breakthroughs in life extension and anti-aging. And HGH is leading the charge. HGH is a rumbling volcano, ready to explode and add decades of healthy, vigorous, pain-free years to your life. The treatment is safe, comfortable, and incredibly potent. The team of anti-aging physicians and medical professionals are well-trained, experienced, and anxious to welcome you to the HGH revolution. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website in the description to learn more about health and wellness concerning hormone replacement therapy.